arrested, the first question your lawyer will ask whether it is a bailable or a non-bailable offense. This one word will decide whether you are going to sleep at home or at lockup tonight. So hey everyone, welcome back to my series Legal Lingo Simplified. Today's legal lingos are bailable and non-bailable offense. What are bailable offenses? These are those offenses where accused has a right to get bail. Here in these offenses, the police and the court will grant the accused a bail after being provided certain surety. So ये वो ऑफेंसेस होते हैं जहां पे एक्यूज के पास राइट होता है, उसको बेल मिल सकती है, बट कोर्ट और पुलिस जो होते हैं जब उनको सर्टेन श्योरिटी प्रोवाइड कर दी जाती है उसके बाद वो एक्यूज को बेल ग्रांट कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे बेल एज अ राइट होती है एक्यूज के पास. Now let's talk about the legal provisions related to the bailable offense. So, Section 2, Clause 1, Subclause C of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, which was earlier Criminal Procedure Code, defines the bailable offense. This section basically talks about what constitutes a bailable offense. So now, let's discuss some examples related to the bailable offense. Offenses like the public nuisance and uttering the obscene words in public will fall under the category of the bailable offense. These are those offenses where punishment is usually less than 3 years of imprisonment, or it can also be a fine as well. Now jump into the non-bailable offense. Non-bailable offense are those offenses where bail is not as a right. So here it is on the discretion of the court. The court will examine the facts of the case, the severity of the offense, and non-bailable offense वो offense होते हैं जहाँ पे bail as a right हमें नहीं provide करी जाती है. ये कोर्ट के डिस्क्रिप्शन में होता है कि वो बेल ग्रांट करते हैं कि उसको या नहीं करते हैं. कोर्ट केस के फैक्ट्स को पहले एग्जामिन करते हैं, फिर क्राइम की सेवेरिटी या ऑफेंस की सेवेरिटी को एग्जामिन करते हैं, और एक्यूज के कंडक्ट को एग्जामिन करने के बाद अगर उन्हें लगता है कि बेल ग्रांट कर देनी चाहिए तो फिर एक्यूज को बेल ग्रांट कर दी जाती है. So, offenses like the murder, kidnapping, abduction, or rape are the offenses which fall under the category of the non-bailable offense. These are those offenses where the punishment is usually more than 3 years of imprisonment. It can also be life imprisonment and capital punishment as well. Now, the question is why it matters whether the offense is a bailable or non-bailable. So the offense is bailable or non-bailable will affect your right to get a bail, the power of the police to grant and deny the bail, and will also affect the experience of the accused in a criminal trial. That's all. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and share with your friends also. And thanks for watching. Keep loving and keep supporting.